Looking for the best baby seats? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 baby seats on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Summer Infant Deluxe Comfort Folding Booster Seat. A 2-in-1 model that works as a baby and toddler booster seat. It's adjustable, foldable, and affordable. A value buy that is both versatile and practical for around half the price of others on our list. Consumers noted that it runs a bit small to accommodate larger toddlers, but it fits up to 33 pounds. At number 2. Fisher-Price Rainforest Healthy Care Booster Seat. Combines an exceptional list of features in a sturdy design. Comes with interactive toys and converts to a booster seat as baby grows. An impressive design by a popular brand. The most versatile model on our list. The best value for your money. The tray is a bit awkward to attach, but it's secure once it's in place. At number 1. Bumbo Floor Seat. Sports a contour design that helps baby sit in an upright position. Made of soft polyurethane for optimal comfort. The absolute best option if you're looking for a training seat. It's more expensive, but you're paying for a high-quality product. A tray is available, but you have to buy it separately. The seat is snug for large babies. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.